Hey guys, you see, finally I bought one of my own DJI Mini 4 Pro. I was hoping to buy a drone from long time, but it was not possible for me at that time. Finally, I got a time. With God's grace, I was able to buy a DJI Mini 4 Pro. As you can see, I'm unboxing it. They have shipped it with a good small bag. It's quite compact, which can hold the drone, the controller, the batteries, and the spares in the zip. Kind of opening with one hand because I'm holding the phone in other hand and opening the box. So you see, this is the controller, which is cleanly and nicely packed, and this is of course the drone, just like the sleeping state, and two batteries of course. This is kind of which I would recommend actually to go for it. If you're short of budget, you can opt for one, but better to go. And if you see, you get these USB cables, the propellers, which are spares, and the drone comes with this gimbal protector, which is a must, and it's a good thing they have added it. And controller looks pretty good with a large display screen, so that you don't need to connect your phone and struggle with it. And the brightness is of course very good, and the two batteries is a must because it gives you 30 minutes, even though they claim 40 minutes for the fly mode. What is that, like the bigger battery actually? And don't forget to remove these small kind of plastic stickers, which was kept for the safety of the camera. And it comes with omnidirectional sensor, which is a cool thing. And they have very clear instructions everywhere on what to do and what not to do. And so I'll be following those instructions and making this drone ready to fly. I'm super excited. Need to see, because this is the first time I'm flying a DJI drone. I'm just turning on this controller and to see how it actually looks. As you can see, red light says the drone is not actually connected, and the battery status shows around 50%. So I have to charge up the batteries before I turn on the drone actually. Yeah, and so I charge up everything and then connect, and let's see how my first flight goes. I might be trying indoors, but better to try outdoors. Have a good day. Thank you.